how to make a perfect 3-point turn in your driving test. If you are using the driveway on the right hand side, your front bumper must reach the driveway before you start turning. Don't start turning prematurely because you're going to lose points for path. You have to get deep enough, but you can't overshoot the letterbox line, which is a property line. Select reverse gear, make sure that no one's coming before you start moving. You must coordinate your steering and your movement. Also be sure that nothing slips your right. The maximum distance from the curb as you reverse out will be 30 centimeters, which is equivalent to school ruler's length. Be sure that you indicate and check your blind spot before you take off. We have a separate video on this topic. This type of 3-point turn is required in every driving test in Western Australia. If you are not familiar with exercise left something behind, you better check some related videos on this channel. If the driveway that you chose is too shallow, you can angle your car slightly, but don't go over the verge, but also don't overshoot the property line, which is the letterbox line, as we've mentioned earlier. This position will make your turning angle easier and you're going to end up closer to the curb. The most common reason people end up too far from the curb is miscoordination of steering and movement. You shouldn't only focus on positioning your car correctly, you have to watch your coordination. Also, one of the reasons that a lot of people fail this particular maneuver is poor observation skills. You have to observe properly. As you're driving out of the driveway, you cannot fixate your eyes on one angle. If a car appears from behind, you should stop and freeze until they pass you. You should check your rear view mirror. You should check your rear window between the two seats, the passenger seat and the driver's seat, and side mirrors as well. So you cannot miss any aspect throughout this maneuver because you are going backwards and there may be cars approaching you at 50 or 60 kilometers an hour. You can use your reverse camera, but the reverse camera will not cover the traffic coming from a distance. You have to check your rear window between the seats and the rear view mirror as well. Also the opposite direction in case something unusual is happening. Maybe there's a rubbish truck coming and people are overtaking. So you have to be aware of every single object that's moving around you within your close proximity. I had several requests to shoot this video, so there you go. Let me know if you found it useful. As always, feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.